Hey, this is Dale Calvert. I needed to give you guys a heads up on this real quick, primarily my subscribers at cmgcrypto.com, and I'm actually making this video for my relatives over that I want to share with my relatives during Christmas. Apologize for all the background noise. I've got a roof being put on right now, so apologize, but this is really time sensitive, and I think it'll be worth a couple of minutes of your time to take a look at this. Uh, this is what this item is. It's a dash camera that creates crypto for you, creates money for you while you drive. Real simple plug in. You plug it in. It's competing with Google Maps, is what they're ultimately doing. They're taking photos, uploading it to the cloud to compete with Google Maps over time. So when we're driving, we're mapping all the roads that we're on. You can read all about it on the website here. I first talked about this about a year ago, I think. Yeah, about a year ago over at CMG Crypto. You can go read this article here if you want and learn more about this when we first introduced it. Now, why I needed to let you know about it today, I mean, we joined as soon as we saw it. And if you look at the price action of this token, let me see where I've got it here. When it was first introduced back in December, it was about 14 cents a coin, this honey token. And then after the launch, shortly after, the price went way down and it got to where it was less than a penny. Okay, we already made our money back. We made it back pretty quick. And it's just been kind of during this bear market, just flatlining, really. But look what's happened since December. Okay, the word's starting to get out about this program, and it's jumped all the way up. It hit a high this earlier this month. I think it was 34 cents. Right now, it's about 27 cents per token. And here's why I needed to share this with you today. And I just do the math. And let me just say, it doesn't matter to me if you do this or not. There's no affiliate commission. There's no money in it for me if you do or if you don't. So I sincerely don't care, but I just felt obligated to let you know about this. They've got a special going right now, and you can buy the camera, the dash cam. It's $300. And when you do, if you buy between now and the end of the year, you get yours. Then you get 2,500 honey bonus tokens for buying the camera. Now, let's just round it up to 30 cents because it was 30 cents originally when I was looking at this. It's been as high as 34, but let's say it ends up being 30 cents and it could go back to a nickel or whatever. But I would say around March it's going to be stable because the whole bull market is coming. So let's use 30 cents, and again, it doesn't matter. So if you get 2,500 tokens at 30 cents each, that's $750 in tokens that you receive. You spent $300 for the camera, so that's an immediate profit of $450. Plus, this camera is now able to create honey tokens for you ongoing from now on. So again, you can do your research. You can go check out the article here that I originally did at CMG Crypto. But again, I wanted my kids and my family. I wanted to show them this video during Christmas holidays. I'm going to send this to the CNG Crypto subscribers as well. But this, to me, you look at the price action and what's happening, you just do the math. Makes a lot of sense. So I hope you'll take advantage of it if it makes sense for you. Needed to share that with you. I hope you and yours have a phenomenal, awesome Christmas season. This is Dale Calvert at CMGCrypto.com. Talk to you later.